Hi, my name is Joseph Fedor, Global Portfolio Product Marketing Manager here at KODAK. Today, we're going to be unboxing one of our new E1000 series scanners. What we have here is a KODAK E1040 scanner that we're going to unbox and show you how to get this set up and ready to go for installation to your PC. Once you receive your scanner, you're going to open the box. There may be tape on the scanner box itself. It all depends on how you receive it. Just gently take a box cover to any tape and then just pop open the flaps here to access the scanner and accessory box here. Now, the first thing you're going to see once you get the scanner is the accessory box. Within that accessory box are a few key components that you will need to set up your scanner. As you open the box, the first thing you're going to see here within that box, you're going to see an installation guide here. It's a very simple piece of documentation, as well as an installation disc with the driver CD, which is required for installation for your scanner. However, if you do not have a CD-ROM drive, or it does not have a CD for whatever reason, you can download the latest driver package, which we do recommend from alarisworld.com. With that, you also have a power supply, which is required to power the scanner itself. Now, take it out of the bag, and this accessory, or this power supply, is a universal or automatic sensing power supply, which can be used in any country. Once you receive this, you're going to see there's a little plastic cover here to access the connector for your power outlet. Simply press the little button on here and slide this cover off. We're going to put that down for a second. In addition to the power supply, there's an accessory bag that's included with the scanner itself, and this accessory bag includes all the power connectors you'll need for your respective regions. So once you receive it, you're going to have USB 3.0. That's perfectly fine. The scanner is backwards compatible to the PC that you're connecting to, so it will still work in a USB 2.0 environment. So we're just going to put that down here for the moment. Now, accessing the rest of the scanner. Now, the only other component within the box is the scanner and the input tray itself. All you simply have to do here is just grab the cushions here slightly and just give it a little push up to take the scanner out of the box. If you prefer, you can also flip the box upside down and gently pull everything out. For our demonstration here, we're going to lay this down on the table, and all you have to do is gently remove the cushions on each side, and you'll see there's two components here that are going to come out of it. You have your paper input tray, which is required to input and feed documents into the scanner, and then you've got the main scanner assembly itself here. First thing you want to do is take the tray accessory bag. Now, keep in mind for this demonstration, this unit has been unboxed prior to this video. However, the only difference will really be is that the bag is either sealed, or on the scanner itself there's some additional tape we need to remove, and I'll cover that a little bit more. So take the tray out of the box, lay that down, discard the plastic appropriately, and then you've got another bag here for the scanner itself. Now, this bag is provided from production, one, to prevent any scratches from occurring to the scanner itself during transport, as well as accumulating any dust or other debris that may accumulate in the box during transport. Once you take the scanner out of the bag, you've got the main scanner here. This is the back of the scanner here. The input tray is going to go right here, and then you've got your power supply connection and your USB port. Now, to install this tray, you'll notice there's two little long ribs here, and all you're going to do is align them with the two holes you see here, and all you have to do is drop that right into the top of the scanner. Apply gentle pressure to that, and it should snap in. If for any reason you want to take it out, or you need to take it out, or you need to reship it, give it a little lift up and a slide out. It's very simple to take in and out. Now, as I said before, the scanner itself, when it is brand new out of the box, there will be some packing tape also surrounding it to keep the tray, the cover and the tray of the scanner in place. And it's going to release the top door of the scanner. You want to make sure there is no paper or other contents within the feed path here before you get this started. Now, once we have the scanner fully assembled here, there's only two more things we need to do. So the next step is to install the USB 3.0 cable. Keep in mind, a USB 3.0 cable is got an interesting shape here. It's not kind of a traditional USB port, because it is USB 3.0. So you want to be very careful when installing this. There should require zero pressure to install. And as you see here, it's going to match the blue to the blue and align the shape to the appropriate shape and push in gently. It should snap in just easily. If you have to apply any pressure, you're doing it wrong. At the same time, be very gentle when installing this because you can damage that. From here, you just simply take the power connector and install it into the back of the scanner here. At this point, your scanner is fully assembled and ready for installation to a PC. Thank you for watching today, and we look forward to hosting another video in the near future.